Hey Cebu, come watch MButterfly. See you soon.
SM Seaside.
Hashtag.
Yeah, don't forget our hashtag MButterflyPH. See you
Hello,
at the
Cebu.
theater.
I love you, Cebu. Salamat kayo.
Hi guys, I'm with Jhett Tolentino, the producer of MButterfly, the Frontrow production. It's coming to Cebu. This is the last leg of your
Yes,
nationwide
guys.
place, right? Yeah. So, Jhett, give us 3 good reasons why someone should watch MButterfly.
Well, first of all, MButterfly is a Broadway production of this caliber. You have to see it because if you are into pop culture, you have to see it. 2, try to get into the action of the theater scene. This is for the charity to benefit the Arts Council of Cebu Foundation and the Children of Cebu Foundation Inc. So that's 2. And 3, be entertained, and then you get to help other people. So how about that for the reasons to watch MButterfly?
And finally, invite them when, where, and yeah.
Yes, we are at SM Centerstage, March 14 to 17. Tickets are available at smtickets.com or at any SM cinema near you.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat ng postcards. Iibitan namin kayo manood ng MButterfly. Tonight, I'll be here with the whole cast of MButterfly. Thanks to Jhett Tolentino and Frontrow Entertainment. Thank you so much. The Frontrow family.
For the next 4 days, we're going to put on 6 shows. You can go see a movie, you can go to the beach, but I'll tell you, this experience is way different. If you got any fans in the movie that you know any of the logos, call them up and ask them, because they were blown away and they really loved it. Why would you want to miss the opportunity? Come support us, come to the
Don't forget his name, Olivier Bordet.
Hello, Cebu. I came here many times. I love Cebu. I love the whole province and the city. I love you guys. And come, really shake this stuff when you come and see the show. Come and see it. You don't miss it. So I go for the
Kalimutan ko yung word eh. Ginanigugma mo, yung taka. Maraming salamat po for all the love and support for coming here tonight. Maraming salamat. Ako naman yung pinag-iimbitahan sa pagtataw sa MButterfly March 14 to 17 at SM Seaside. Magkita kita tayo right after the show. Maraming salamat.
Of course, no two actors are are identical or alike. So you will see that we will be playing the same role, but we both have different attacks. We both have different treatment. So even si Olivia Important is Galimar. Yeah, si Olivia Important is Galimar. Interacts differently with Aya's premiere song, and reacts differently to me also sa premiere ng song. So what am I saying? Watch it 2 times, makikita rin mo kayo talaga. They're both talaga like us, very, very interesting, right?
Yes, very difference in maturity, fun challenging, very great for me. Because when I play it once a day, I play 2 slightly different characters. But they are so good both of them.
So hi guys, I'm back here at SM Seaside City Cebu, and this time I'm here for the exclusive press preview of MButterfly here at the center stage at SM Seaside City Cebu. So hi guys, I'm here with Charlene, of course. So Charlene, if you were in this play, which role would you audition for?
Alalisura. I think I'd be the character nga French kay French.
So she's the French wife, not the French guy. Okay. So Tiff, if you're gonna audition for a role in this play, which role would you audition for?
I would audition for myself, an audience, because I want to watch something this lovely.
How about you? If you're gonna audition for a role in this play,
Probably like an audience, because I can't live without Nini.
don't you want to be Song Liling or Helga?
Who gets kissed? No, you want to.
This is Jami Hospital. So if you were auditioning for a role in this play, which role would you audition for?
Can you see Song Li?
Song Liling.
Ganesha.
So lead role Ganesha.
Of course, we dili pwede lead role. Dili pwede kung dili.
So guys, excited na me. Let's watch.
My name is Song Li.
A beautiful profile.
Oh, please.
I usually
blush.
I'm
no opera singer at all.
I usually don't like it.
I can't blame you in the least.
I mean the story.
Ridiculous.
I love this.
Oh.